Good evening. Hot on the heels of Storm Ali, we've had Storm Brona brewing up during the day. A combination really of some miserable weather, torrential driving rain, which will ease for most of us through the night. But the winds are escalating now. They've already been hitting the 50-mile-an-hour mark, gusting that is, across southern and western areas, even higher around some exposed parts. And they're now escalating further eastwards. And on that weather front as well, we've got some really intense bursts of rain. Let me show you how the rain has been hanging around across northern England, across Wales and the southwest through the day. And it's only gradually going to ease its way eastwards. So it is bringing quite significant amounts of rain, 40, 50, even 60 millimetres in some areas, probably higher over the hills. And we've got more hours of that persistent, really quite intense rain to come. May even be a little bit of sleetiness over the tops of the Pennines by the end of the night. So it will continue to be pretty awful on some of the roads with that driving rain, very poor visibility because of the hill fog as well. And then you combine that with winds gusting at 50 or 60 miles an hour. That's stronger than those of yesterday across England and Wales and could well fell some trees. So not a great night for most. There'll be further showers in the north and west, a fresher night here as well. And that's something we will notice, particularly across England and Wales, a fresher day tomorrow. But we still awaken to some really quite lively gusts of wind. There could be quite a bit of debris around as we wake up on Friday morning. Still that heavy rain to contend with if you're travelling across northeast England. So the Trans-Pennine routes won't be particularly nice. And that wind, very gusty indeed. But gradually through the day, it tends to ease. There'll be a whole host of showers for Scotland and Northern Ireland initially, with some hail and thunder, but they'll ease as well into the afternoon, and there won't be that many reaching the south. But it will feel notably fresher, 16 to 17 degrees, the highs, after we've been seeing into the low 20s. And that's because we'll see this brief ridge of high pressure then killing off those showers overnight into Saturday. But the fine weather doesn't last because we get more rain, we think, rushing into the south as we go through the day on Saturday. So a chilly start, a little bit of mist and fog. Looks like a decent day for most, except the south and the west, where it turns wetter. And there's a huge question mark over Sunday. There's the potential by the time we get to Sunday for some more stormy weather. There are weather warnings out there on the website. Bye-bye.